Here I have HUAWEI P30 and let me show you how to find IMEI number on the following device. So we have two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. So at first you have to open the phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#06#. And here, as you can see, are your IMEI numbers and also the serial number, the last one. So just tap OK to go back to your home screen, and now we will go to the second method. So we will open IMEI number and also the serial number through the settings. So at first let's open the settings, then scroll down to the very bottom of the list and then select system. Here you'll notice about phone, so it's the first icon. Scroll down a bit and here are your IMEI numbers, and if you scroll down a bit and pick status, here you'll be able to notice serial number over there. So that's it. Now you can easily find your IMEI number and also serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.